So I just got the GoPro Hero 10 from Costco, and today we're gonna open it up. It says it comes with 2 batteries, the charger for it, a carry bag, and the 64 gigabyte SD card. And we'll see how it goes. Oh, nice little bag. This comes with the charger for the 2, obviously the GoPro, some adhesive and clip adapters for the mounts, the screw, and 2 batteries here. The documentation. The documentation's right here. There's a 64 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme SD card. Some instructions, and probably the most important part is you get from some free stickers, so you know that's worth the money in itself. Battery instructions, safety and product information, and more safety and product information. Start the batteries. You have 2 lithium-ion batteries. We've got the clip for this mount accessories. You got the mate for the clip. Clip slides down in there. Of course, you got the screw to mount it all together. It goes in like this. And here's a battery charger pack. It has a USB-C on the back, so you can charge both at the same time. I don't like how short this is because when you put one of the batteries in, I don't know, when you're doing adventures, I feel like they'd fall out, but we'll see what that looks like in a second. Under this we have 2 USB-C cords. And then all that's left is the camera at that point. And it comes wrapped with peels on the lenses and the front screen and back screen. And then that's all that's in there. One thing I wanted to look at was how well these sit in here in their charger. And you set them down in, and they're kind of loose. I mean, right now they're stiff, but they're brand new. So as you use them and slide them in and out and get wear, they're gonna drop out. So I'll probably have to put like a rubber band around them when they're in to hold them in. I plan on using these on my motorcycle, and I don't want them, you know, if I have to charge it on my bike, if I have them in a bag or something just loose like this, they're gonna fall out, and then I need a new battery. You're gonna have to be digging through, or, you know, even worse, they haven't charged, and I thought they did. So I'll have to get a rubber band or something for the top of this. Maybe there's some aftermarket ones that work better. But. And on the bottom you'll see it's got these two that fold down. And this is how it mounts. And they go in just like this. You put the screw down in. And there you go. That's how you get mounts on. And on the inside there's this Phillips head screw where if they get stuck or they're too tight, you can use a normal screwdriver to break them free. You can tighten it with that too, but you want to be careful because it is plastic and they will break, so you don't want to get too crazy with that. But so those really nice, fold back down in, and I think they have some accessories that wrap the camera. And one of them is called the mod pack, where those will fold in and use something else. So the capture button is on top. The power button and mode select button is on the left side of the camera as you're looking at the back of it. And all you do, pull that open, lifts the cap, and has your battery bay in it. And inside your battery bay is the SD card slot as well. So you'll slide your SD card in, put the battery in, like so. It goes like this. It's the top of the camera. Slide it in. Then they have these little pull tabs to pull it out. There's also a USB-C charger in here, which is nice because you can charge it in the camera, but it's really kind of a poor design because you can't charge it without this bay being open. So you have to have this open and risk breaking it to charge it, which isn't the greatest, but I guess it works. So here's the 64 gigabyte SD card. 64 is probably a good start. For 4K, you're gonna start eating up the space though, so you might consider getting another big one. And then it just slides in with the pin side facing the front of the camera. And then you'll hear it click in. You can shut the patch here. Push this side down, and then it should power on. There you go. Now you have a camera. Got the front screen. Back is a touch screen. And then you go through the app to finish the setup, I guess. There you go. You got a GoPro Hero 10 Black Edition from Costco. Hopefully it works well. We'll put some videos together with it, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun using this one.